here on the second level. We had entered on the first level. We parked on level 3, went down to 1, and came in on the main casino level. On level 2, this is how you get to hotel, shops, dining, event center, and bowling. So we're going to take a walk and see what we can find. River Bar is on the main casino level. And there is free soda and water down there. They had machines, but not free alcohol. No one really walks around. That's rough is the games are so hot. The cabinets are so high now. When you're trying to find a restroom sign or a cash out sign, very difficult because they're almost hidden. I'm short, so yeah, me even seeing over a high cabinet is tough. But yeah, so up here they have Truffles Pub, and this is Gordon Ramsay, and I believe this opens at 4 o'clock, like that. Try not to get the glare. But they got signature cocktails, soup, salad, small plate sandwiches, desserts, mains, beverages by the bottle. So this is Gordon Ramsay's place. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I like that. And you know, Gordon Ramsay, the red, white, the British flag. So Gordon Ramsay's Food Market.
Oh yeah, for this stuff, food market.
And inside of this, Bacon Brew. Bacon Brew is 24 hours, full menu, Monday through Sunday. Street tacos, sushi, 4 to 10:30. Street pizza, 11 a.m. to 5 a.m. Grab and go, 24 hours, Monday to Sunday. Some of the things, more of the dining things were in the evenings after 4 o'clock. Street burger, 11 to 11. Fish and chips, 11 on Sunday. Sunday longer hours. Saturday longer hours. Weekdays 4 to close. So yeah, so it's all Gordon Ramsay, but it's like different options for you to try. They have seating over there. So they have a Swarovski store and a home store, Riverside Home Store. And I believe we're heading over to the hotel lobby. I do like the glass light fixtures, very pretty. And when you park, it says casino parking, hotel parking. So obviously if you're staying at the hotel, you want to go to the hotel side parking so you're not hauling your luggage all around everywhere. But this is pretty cool. Oh, look at the bear.
Bears are big here in the
Bears are big here in the North Carolina mountains or North Georgia mountains. So you'll see a lot of bear stuff. Isn't he clever looking? Hello there, beautiful. Are you a lucky bear? We were lucky. We were up to 105. We left with 55. To the hotel that way, and there's elevators to the casino. So that is the way to the hotel. We're going to go up here and see what's on the third level here. The Sequoia National Golf Shop. So they must have golfing around here. SequoiaNational.com. This is called Sweet Stop. Looks like they've got some cool sweet treats in here. And just so you can see what it is like, there's also elevators to casino from the third floor. And there's different towers for the hotel rooms. They do have a nice, cool little bit of a creek that runs down there. That is the hotel pool over there. Kids out there playing. Right here by the river. And you can see the mountains are right there. So it's very picturesque. I like there's the tower, the two towers. So yeah, very beautiful. There's a fire pit down there. That's very nice. Just sitting out there relaxing, chillaxing. This way is Sportsbook, Poker, Event Center, and Bowling. Got another Cherokee outdoor gift shop here. Red, White, and Boom Party for 4th of July dance party. Like how they used the views of the windows on this side of the building, because they do have an Italian restaurant here. This is beautiful. And what's this called? Amici. A-M-I-C-I. Amici Italian. Very pretty. Wow, look at that. That's gorgeous. Another overlook over the casino down there. There's a waterfall feature out there, which is really, really pretty. There's a bar here at Amici. Restrooms. Soko Smokehouse. Is that cigars or is that like a... Oh, there's a chicken to-go thing. Is that Guy Fieri's?
Might be.
I think that is. Guessing Soko Smokehouse opens at 4. A lot of people are waiting till 4 for the 4 o'clock features. The Coop.
Show this one.
Tenders, wings, snacks, other sandwiches, and the Coop, I believe... We think this might be Guy Fieri's place. I'm not sure. I don't think so. And then here's the Soko Smokehouse. Ooh, cornbread muffins with honey butter, fried pickles, pimento cheese. Prices are not bad. No, not at all. Yeah, the Coop looks really cute. I like this little feature. And you seat yourself. Event center is that way. Very cool. Box office, because they do have shows. Travis Tritt is coming. Nice casino. I mean, mountainy, but Vegas-y.
Yeah.
A little bit of both.
Very nice, yeah. It's very...
And very clean.
Yeah.
Yeah, and beautiful views. What's not to like? The Fieri Bowling and Arcade Connector in Cherokee Tower is this direction. This is check-in, because this is where the cars are coming in. There's valet. And so that is this level here. This is bigger than I thought it was. Yeah, that's the connector tower.
Yeah, you can get lots of...
You can, yeah, it's pretty big. Very nice. Cherokee.